What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Tapers and Fades, back with another video. Just wanted to say to those who subscribe, thank you guys, and I appreciate it so much. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers right now, so if you guys are watching and you guys like my videos, give me a thumbs up and please hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you know when I post a new video. It'll be much appreciated. Thank you. So today we're going to be doing a half clip on top with a high bald fade with the shaver on the sides. And since we're doing a high fade, as I shave his head with a half clip on top, if you notice I only go down as low as our bald line is going to be. Since we're shaving off from the line down with no guard lever up, there's no sense of going over it twice. So right here I have my no guard with the lever down just a little bit, not even halfway, going up about an inch around the entire head, adjusting the lever down little at a time until I get the blend that I want, and lightening the line so it'll be easier to blend away. Then I go back to the no guard with the lever up and blend the line away. And as I'm erasing the line, if I see any dark spots or something I missed, I'll just adjust the lever and go back to those areas. As you guys can see, this back line was giving me a little trouble, so I blended it as much as I could. Then I ended up going over it a little later with the Andes T-liner and the shaver, helping me get rid of that line. So right here, I'm going over it with the Andes T-liner, going all the way up right under where the fade starts, getting it a little balder so it's ready for the shaver. a couple dark spots that I seen. So when shaving the sides, I like to stay about half an inch to even an inch sometimes below the fade. Just because sometimes when I go too high, it might shave into the blend a little and leave a little line. Then I have to go back and kind of blend the line away, which is no big deal because I usually like to go back after I'm done with the shaver with the T-liner just to give it that one last good blend. So right here, he didn't want to do anything to his beard, so all I did was blend his sideburns into his beard. So for his lineup, since his hair is kind of thin in the front, I don't want to go too far back with the lineup. So what I'll do is, even though his hair is thinning, I'll still make the line on his original lineup. And after hitting it with the razor, you'll still get that nice lineup that'll pop. Sometimes it's kind of tempting to go up a little where the hairline is a little darker, but you just have to be careful and don't go up too high. And right here I'm doing a dry shave on him, which means I'm not using any shaving gel. Just being careful that I don't irritate the skin. Here I'm just touching it up, going back with the machine, just hitting any dark spots, adjusting the lever as I see it. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the haircut. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you guys don't like it, give me a thumbs down. And let me know how I could have made this haircut better in the comment section. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers right now. So if you guys like my haircuts, please hit that subscribe button that's under your video and turn on your notifications so you know when I post a new video. I just wanted to say thank you, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.